Have you ever looked at your paycheck and wondered if the amount taken out for taxes is just right, too much, or perhaps not enough? It is a common question, and getting it right can truly impact your financial peace of mind throughout the year. To adjust your federal tax withholding, you will need to submit a new Form W-4 to your employer. This form tells your employer how much federal income tax to deduct from each of your paychecks, directly influencing your net take-home pay and your potential tax refund or balance due at tax time. The Internal Revenue Service, also known as the IRS, uses your Form W-4 to calculate your withholding based on the allowances and other information you provide. The goal is to have the total amount withheld throughout the year be as close as possible to the actual tax you will owe, avoiding a large refund or an unexpected bill. First, obtain a new Form W-4 from your employer or the IRS website, which is irs.gov. Then, carefully read the instructions, especially if your financial situation has changed significantly. You will typically provide your personal information, indicate if you are single or married filing jointly, and list any dependents. For more precise adjustments, you can use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator tool available on their website. This online tool is fantastic because it considers all your income sources, deductions, and tax credits to help you complete your W-4 accurately. It is particularly useful if you have multiple jobs, a spouse who also works, or significant itemized deductions. Once you have filled out the form, submit it to your payroll department or human resources office. Your employer will then update your withholding, usually within 1 or 2 pay periods. Remember, your goal is to match your withholding to your actual tax liability as closely as possible. This means you avoid giving the government an interest-free loan by overpaying taxes, and you also prevent the stress of owing a large amount at tax time. Regularly reviewing your withholding, especially after life changes, helps ensure your financial situation remains aligned with your tax obligations.